Ebusuya anopo information ayensa aka no eyare wosem yipa a efri ye nuaba Miss Ohima Sapperman Angela. Ohima Sapperman Angela is one of the contestants of the Ghana Most Beautiful 2023. Free Bonu East region. Now in this video, we say Ojina marketer. I need to try to wish your more chese wabi via a ma bag and after some a man tagibi. Now we say bags as in say no, but from the look of things, we say any no one funny easy with the people then. And Sebi Ekekano. The purpose in the video we no is because of the misjustice by Angela. A quite bonny idea by Angela way a faso. Say I'm passe Angela could be idea and I say most suspect say or now book on Nubia and Mra on Mosanka more than my Mra Nemrano any needy. Dan say Modemun Sabaki Kano. Na mayen boni and sana posi for wasukra ebeti. Now and now me no kasi baby or day see a crampono and yet. Possible say be a wakana no edro and I say be a why no ho boni bi enam ne ankofo de ye niti I witness abedi in komo a wo kire mu say o se ne bags no essence no bebre de a sika so ayira de na mom oni any evidence say Angela to me bo shop ni mu efa bibi e wo shop wo no oni any evidence to that na fe shop owner any ni kunu so abedi mu komo but I think say in komodi e koso no it is neither here nor there. But Angela Bedin Komo, I'm a person.
Please, can I start?
Yes, you can start. Let us know exactly what happened, at what time, where, and how.
Let me start the whole story. I and my friend, we decided to open a clothing brand, okay? So I had money. You see, a day 29th way, and I'm Mr. Mamiko for your money, and say your shop in a crown. I said, "Yenya full is kind of crown." Made the fuck a crown. Now woman who go find your money, and then no association or one side be not my pack when you're not me life, not me ton what I say. See, you call Alaba of fine, Yema, and I papa charging me 100 cedis and Miss Timinia. Mesika 80 cedis. No, so okay. And see, yeah, bano. Na me catch any say onjina na mental. Yeah, me impabwe me tompa slippers be. Hems for slippers nibi. And see, yeah, but ye akaka come ye do east side honum or tafo. Because I know Janet traffic into a farm mozongo side honum ne. Eko piesa. Minu se muni mozonga also be any free I say no okofa sa kwan na all the baby we mo nya traffic ni nye den enche no nti e fa e kan sense abesi dress. It was very nice, it was very shiny. It's many boss now make us a driver. So I went there just to check on the dress because I liked it. Okay. Me do one no. Me boma obi and me. So I tried opening his face, be any panada and I work 2 months. But me try and be in a make a driver and say only one so day on my young combra. And then we left.
This is so bad.
And that was when later all kinds same baby as my dempo. Some of my shop abba baby and sika. And natare. The thing is the see our casano was make driver and make trying to say and your mama fan your ma wo you can say pancrono side one into no ya odura onjina. But say one tea or so tea, you said then you see a drew baby. Your motor atari na me see and I say make up atari the price. It makes me out turn my dem at all. So when I entered, nobody was there. I came out again. And to me, Pia banana me who sister na me say me chan na me catch and say me atari na since any more no. And I me pay. Come and see the woman start talking say yeah for why we. Ada na yapeja sack na yenimbe o sack ni ma yapeja na miss oh yeah and you be driver him say media because say me we inside me nympie enti me catch say kofa na ma no enti no e betimi na say e bia like or kofa dia den amami because media me catch say kofa na ma bana atawe ba kofa na me to be bia o mo kase makowia ni sikai se si aminim o se ni sika na ayo o se ni den na ayo o minim Josie Ira.
So bad.
And they even made me pay for the dress. The dress then I wanted it so I catch them saying by force or kind store money in my 6 billion mentor. No, me say I don't have that kind of money. Me nyamu 100 million grants, no they own him. Oh they like omunji ba kunisika. de na me say me pe no mo nje na omo ma me nko say my omo boni dia omo fan che because I didn't mean to. And that was when Washa say kasa baby. So I even went off. Then I member online because as a me who are my bebu what I say. Hence me call TikTok live maybe and as I mean shut down active of late.
But according to best friend's interpretation, or just say every year piano, be say etono, almost to say it could be spiritual or something else. It was Mama Inti eyewitness account or the better about it.
Or mute your own casa.
Me bacho enra oba yo ho e wo shop me meton curtains e water for multi credit onum opposite onum first baby ana KM for ne wono
okay
na boutique bi wo me nchen na sister ni ko krom it was the shop ni jame etina me so me pamade me so ate fam onum eti mi twa mani no na lady o she skinny blue ne to ma nyina abia biam ena wapim lady bia pim no ewo ye friend say ya hyehyɛ ecolak ewo anim wo ntimi na meka che me so ase hwɛ so o maka sister afia ne ma na ye den egu etimi so aye no se me so le ko na so me hwɛ wo mo lady ye no hye skinny blue okita dressing okita ecolak bag ya omo pam yibi na me de minim se wasesa ne nema wo ba bia ode ba enema ne bobɔ ne ho etimi de membisa ne question bia eti story ne baaye no eno se jamfo a obi aba me ha sei anam se adai obi abefa de eno se menta ade ene traveling bag na ekita no no ni nyina ofa wo shop ho eno yiyi rubber na egum ni nyina gu ho oja ni duku black eyetia even my send picture no kra ma shop ra no se eno ma che no baabi ofa slippers ofa bag dressing bag miensa entade ana hihye shells nim de oyiyi ni nyina eno ofa traveling bag sa traveling bag no eno no sesa antade no edi shemu because of say na oye harry nti de binim say
manen kasa
me ba chaate ase esi me minim so de nema fi baby na ye dey eba kwapem se sister ne ba ya ohun se yi traveling bag no pipa na egum ni nyina egu akonwa nim eyi slippers e wo shells ni mienu dressing bag miensa etimi da me na mka sister afia se nya mbesi ye nka me hu lady no o she skinny blue but minim se obefa nema ne wa ha ene o na o ye in hurry. But because obi kita ne niam ani ntimi me misa ne say madam o de niam na ekwai kopem se ahomachi mi share ne picture na o share the same skinny no
me ba cho ora stone
and me che say me stone ufi so a na wo ba me hono no because
I stone na where who say ora stone nenso o ka say who say okuta traveling bag 80 ono ena akofa
ena me che say me hu no
listen to me video ya we sa ena akofa good ena gay ya oba ya osodo ka no bi de ka na so ntia fane kokoto
so there be so on your crop for enti what the net to so we no see there be what the make no watchia bi na wontwia bi
say answer say subambo ne ya obi nyumo boy no ewuro bede ye wo pebru.
So we are not here to tell in case of bia or di for us you're right. So we are here a person as I'm not crying baby a done ye so because baby as I say no all no I just say nyami bum because a warning kwantan as I say or one I think a life no joining but situation no woman sisi and say nyami and mama china me better see what film because enya cry serious very very serious. It's a social media and time will be a committee. It's more than any suicide. I'm offering a video comment tone so and soon kwana miso. Me to me cashe. Only pan on to me pedan ho. You name the one nom. Yenim de wanom. Eno ane se waye the hospital na said in the call. Omambo no pacho obi eni wa obo no me woni video a omo de to ne so wo ho just me pese be pie on social media because the way was here na oda ho no is very serious. Obi ani hu ba bia ntie omambo no or safe hand or police inspector ba could be what when you feel or very safe, but I think say odi ne hu bone I think say ohun say ade ne e ko social media no person ending a life because na ni ngwase ne do so nti ene na yeso aso ano because incident ni see so ba fie obedu fie no hu so mu post no mu post the video omo ne GMB friend saying target amount for me they target more than 100 send share videos no mama santi and I make a friend no trust him ni na try me
yeah this bad
say no say life one me if you know one I'm afraid police no confirm in hospital before I was yes maybe a situation that do see and this in yame maybe I want this a bomb I am man because the new nyama say ni bibia say the ban is asem na enye no kra che say ni bibia say TikTok so they delete asem emfi ha tinu misromo mama ye hu no kra no nenja say wa family good wa family say odo wa fa obibia da no want me am police report want me anye officer endura incident we na mo twetwe nsem we nyina ba obi a ofa obibi no the evidence aba no prove say that say camera say that say no the nyina ba na ye hu say also because the last 2 months obi your brother 40 million who do go police station maybe say what evidence chase obi your sika na any there her career will end and the one ending wa haya man because any ti obi so onkuni
yeah this bad
nipa be no be sorry so okuni o one be committee suicide bra the whole form no do you know what she's going through me ti find the video no ne ho ntie ne ho kan ye obi ambo no si wono kura ho video no say cause me catch so on dundum ne phone no onda no si Jenny me ti me nda o be say me nkumi ho no so ukun ho a na
this is so bad
ukun ho a because I am po nkun ho my yen bra life name be who say eye no kra nipa no beba be kasa nipa na shop ni yen de no ba be yin one na no pe e di be jina life obi a che na de ama me brother ye di na tem say ya
okay
to make sure aha na ye won enya atem didi enya bufu ye pese no kra na ye pe why sure mo say okoto say oyonko abodu says ya na wasanso asiwodi ho ebia da bi na to so ebia na ode kwampo no angoba ni say what you say Mr. Asemba so wabo wasum pen kra na wo say ya nya ha na obedi ba ode ne beka say wa hwimasum ya hu na ye pa no ko
yeah this bad
How was the night? Abigail tested me.
nti sesi a moti se ade chi wa free mu ase enye nyina ade what you say to me sure mo
this is so bad
asemba eka esiesie ye kra no na de year to year say me be jina ha na makase madam funtina no da be menye sada oya madam fun you say nipa bebre sa me omo bembe ne obi afo me enye na me be jina so ka say oh no because me na nanti almost get 15 years ni enye nde nanti ache ti me nim ne se matare hye call me old account abun say me no videos bebre nsem bi wo ho krampo na paper out me na me hye no me see ohima come out kasa so Jenny me ti me nyi me ho ano So ochina na se wawu a. Se nyina ebe ya o.
Yeah, this is bad.
Nti misrom asemba yemfa abotre na yensiesie. Why? Den ya nipa na fom. Enua ba na se wafom kra na ebia na bibi na ha no, bibi na ha nten no. Because abaya fefefe se obi e kan gold, sika, atare. Won se bia obi wo ha. So obi wa ni kro betima ka se oh nipa na say o ana meme yenje ebia na bibi na ha nten no ebia na obi na working no ebia na bibi na push no because die woni owura ne ho a apartment wotima bibi a owo nti kano kro edie be mpa ne bema ye nipa kwa bonti se mikowia atare mikowia we hu se
okay
spiritual thing na ye kan eye ejuma pa it's working na mene na nante si minim dia make me begina life no to me defend no na me nka se madam fo no me defend no na china wako wiade me na minim no na me obey me na mene na nante na minim dia madam fo no
okay
owom enti me sromo asem na aba asanti ma me sro pick Florence mama wa me sro pick just a Florence mama
yeah this is bad
I hear Florence. On Sunday invite to.
Was Sunday, I think so. I've bought me 3 times. Chini me picking. She's also saying it's a spiritual thing. Also, Jenny, check your DM. She's saying it's a spiritual. I think so. Or type of mom says it's a spiritual thing. So, yes, she's from Bunny East region, so she knows Ohima very, very well. So, Miss Shromo, Medina Midin Pawacho. Obi o habia yenka yenua ba no Bible because anona adults won so
okay
the situation of woman sisi ana e di nyame eba doctors for your ma fam de ntino Miss Romo o de say asimpa o de yemfa yen ntu nipa na ne nkwa enya obi ka say spiritual things here see check here is because enema de etuwa wetima kofa ade
Abrabo we na ya ade o se ni pe bi ehun
no bi o fi nti na mission
case na aba no this is not the first case aba Ghana ha ye ka ho asem but here baya mona mo se mo ne ma yira no ana mo ba life ne so no obi a wo de yo ka mo post video no ebi so akowia wig ebi si wa yesei omo ye shop owner na so ne ba no mo so abeka foforo enti so far no eden na mo hwehwe
ozenena me ya
eden na mo hwehwe waba also nipa na kofa wo yere niema
okay
o evidence o de breme and am de me number ama asemi eno ano no afede wa babiem for evidence ne bra was say camera no inside on kwan we ni animu wo na lady ni wi a niema no we
no o call live for so na
enu ntina na me ba be ka kire no me say asanti my guy or sound so me want to say omo per trend because no more lucky life or so on any you any the same issue comment section na ho say men fa we
madam say see am fi live bi so me nim say me do me phone lady ya me to so na okasa wa ha on ebra yi kasa say me an obewi me an obewi original life for so
me say omo na nam life me ma say trend keke no mo pe o
just lady bi ma say bia we from fine evidence bi
almost man in fact footage bi am me gina life for the so me gina omo na nam other lives no say you no cross the work na ewi ase no ye nya ko to we because fan here ya de ko gina we comment section no try no ma ko gina enya sa na mo ye no
wo jide wo wi ase
enya sa na wi ase mo ye no ontina me kasa me ye Kristo ni me ye say ni mitimi nya san so na mo na ma other lives so na mo say nipa din. Who say when who say nipa ni ura na no otwam? How sure are you say nipa na otwam ni nyama nkwa na wo nyama ba ko. Enya say me support ohima. Ohima me nim ni in person. Enti me but ade a wo fa wani hu ye ne enkotina ba bi nka. De wodi wani hu no adi hu adanse.
Lady no dia dia no so no so mo question.
Onu for ya another.
Who said this I was another.
Yeah, this guy.
What's them?
This year, Sana, we gay. Every bia, mother gay with the Munya no Hasem. Most Namu releasing you, Namu Yen say, Namu Yen say, or bury us, mamma, Debon in Kwana, only family members. Ain't here, or no Kwan day. Namujina life is the same thing, I'm a smoker. Musanso Babejina has the same thing. One mudna, Mamma Bedina life is baby. No more lucky life or so. Can't chance a man and send it a video in my guy with Mungan Same Bois. Namijina lucky life or so. And Mamma Sanso Babejina, catch us on concord evidence. Meanwhile, man, I'm catching my man and say, a man and family.
Maybe you can find my life be forget because I said near my view honor, almost ya my lady no acquire the obey answer. We are spending money so. Or couldn't who be money because obedient would be a sister. So what the MPA, because we are sent to. So what the MPA, 1 hour be we.
Madame for Soldier Libya by video no commenting. Or the day, or she has to face the law.
Yeah, this
Romania. No matter what, and video lady radio no so I lock in video no any Madame for Soldier name only
okay
only
some of us we can't treat people bad
the comment me video or comment ye nini montie
I was here for set and then go be a Korea my national montie
this is so bad
not take care
na swala ni no wote chima yana o wote chima hobiana
video no so hu ni clear but meanwhile now which means I am to them and try like is so hu ni clear meanwhile so hu ade no unso afi na wo fa nipa no e no ni kuno mo kan wona ese so o doctor ni o yewe obi an support obi awa ha obi an support obi aba asemba ya mumye nya abotre asemba ya mumma ye nya abotre e bia na ntisa e wi ase nyina mfom so wo ye ho
dabi o sister say na etisakra na wi ase why na any problem oni mu dey be me fam oni dey be me fam
it could be for say a spiritual issue say e no fam it means for enye na nya
yeah this bad
my boy be your life na se my boy na kanu na me say eh na mo ni dey be me fam adum na hwe ye nti aka e bi
mpo make say wo die mpie ya obeka say bia say yo wo bia wo dia wo ye no e chen nipa we die o but mpie ye nti wadwen nyina ne say we 100%
because
you na ye perfect
well TikTok about lady as me fi help so no pay wa ase me hu nya me ye me hu
yes fine
ya ni perform
fine we ono adro no okune ho asa ukọ kan bi uto na feel guilty enye no kra wo be kan say ye no kra fe na uto na wo conscious e ma wo ko untimi
obi betimi aya ma wo so akoye we bi obi betimi abu so akoya because entwan to so wa wo de e ba no
dia wa wo na wa di wa dance oh metie ye ya system ba make say wo gina ho na wani hwe na wo papa no what lucky life so o si no wo twem e na o tie ye e na yire ne ka kire ne say ni shop na o ma gina so say ma ne mfa ma asanteman ma ne mfa hwe ma no adent na o ma so
yeah this
bad listen omuni evidence bia or footage bia ni ho na emu oba se ne yire on se oni ni kunu din ka ba ye di omuja store ne ma no ene din ka ba ye no be ka asem ba ko no o ka be 5 ena bibisa ne say who say get the free shop muho and I walk or say there and I'm say how sure say I didn't know work as any again in our funny manner or the video match to owner and no more say me lawyer, me judge, me police and on the danchaya and check and I need to so a doctor nearby as some more can say oh police station or your cases here and I'm saying a crown and only because you person mela any that's it. So police station there any yen so ye be ko central ni akwa case said ye be ya ensem no ye be dey ye be finish ensem nentem enti ye mo police fo no na omunye wo madwuma ene wo be ka say police ni ba akokra wa ha se metu me pa obema me na kasa na school why not it was what the phone ma police ni na police ni say on your day.
Yeah, this bad.
On to many men kata. And I'm so no problem. And walk say or evidence. I trust again necessary near mano.
Wow.
Name bag and any near man could tag any and any near man. And I'm so Kamala no footage no or dia any good news. On family na police for no a human yet no semi number way.
And no easy. Ebe me juma
so bad.
What family number? What family number na ye share evidence na osibwe.
Me so mo na mother life so ye ni wo hu so bi.
Lady bi na din ka ba ye.
Ya sudah layangan Kang. Jo.
iPhone 14 Pro sedende. On family or more 40 or the best send me the number. Me the number man. On so
se wa sama ba obi ye se o sunu to for ma bo bi e di ni nambi
because
na she me jira won life is na obi ba ye se ni sika 2 months ni abra mo so mo evidence en ka wo be jina ho abra wo be timi di
o say lady na sa be fa ni sika
emra be
we dey nya ne se we dey mestra mama amuni mu ge no life ne dey amwa
yeah this
fine and bloggers Ghana bloggers that be say the assemble e bi mo mu hwehwem and they say fiti ahomachi na me start me see different we see wig we see yempabo we see bag we see aden
dai ba ko life so boy bi be kasa so no fitechi my onim ge yi papa na say and then raw because onim see ge yi want me nya sa no baby bi sa kra na eya busia musa nti omonya kotre boy ne fioko we wi awusa busia musa na so wa
so make an wood there so pa so sene girl ne here
and na make say na edi bi mu achi no
da bia make say wo there maya obeka che say wo there bi yeah pepe so wo there ba wo be hu say there ya ana say bia to obi o ben wo da
edi bi no achi ye nya start ne there maya ye nya start na de fa nipa ni so pa na nipa hu a na ntwa so ne nsamfu a nipa di a wa hu ye nya start na ma bonte enti we body esha
so bad.
Ade na nipa na no kan no mudina comment section na mudiji na attempt say wan fa ma metu kwa nkatin say I get we wakwa akowia mumra na nkatem didie di anka mu nyina mbe all kind of creating mudina comment section na moye ya no eso wo defend no mumpe no kre eno nti na ye wu basabasa no because mumpe be abone woni akogina ho yemfo abone so na Ghana for yempe ayi yen boa ne hwehwe mu no kre yempe
obi afa trend
enye fine enye fine
This is so bad.
If I say mumreme now me can't otra baby
e ba sa woni e befre because ya wo life so wo platform so no be
I'm adjoin the life bebre me fi am adjoin the bebre tu no they are just talking without any evidence when in fact when business talk nkote na walakasa
Miss for mo posting now come comment section ni prove ya atisem and nam from
any evidence
na
even if some will prove crowd no prove crowd mu bebre o ya de chance ye mu bebre ya de chance ya de nempie ye bi say o mu prove Bese me ame wadanfo bi won me friend me bese me boni di childhood obi oni mi bi ani
yeah this bad
o ra ba bi ana aso Nancy no wajai ora baby I was hana de no wafa. Who girl now ne ho fe no. Understand MP. Yeah.
Intebusha when near course on social media far about Angela home, but I think say from the look of things, no, she was not treated fairly. How much I say baby or that is say you cramp on. Would you know only and quanta? Mr. Only Dimo say, my drink should be a one over drop on my comments to see them me. Now if you with me a doman, send me apple beans on our unsa, a bit macra.